I have to
documented.
confess that I'm not surprised at all.
Senator Michael Brooks Jimenez reacting to the news last week that a judge issued a temporary injunction in a legal challenge over House Bill 4156. That injunction will block enforcement of 4156, legislation that would have made it illegal for undocumented immigrants to be in the state.
If it were a law that was sincerely written, they would have made something that was implementable. And unfortunately, the way that this one is written, law enforcement has agreed that there's no way that they can see to lawfully implement this.
Brooks, a strong opponent of the law, had said it would lead to racial profiling and cause harm to a group of people that contribute to and support Oklahoma's economy. He says with the law now on hold, now is the time to allow undocumented immigrants access to legal identification, meaning passing a law that would give them the ability to get a state ID.
To come forward, to be able to confirm their identity with the state of Oklahoma, share an address, and submit a fingerprint, then I think universally that people within the state of Oklahoma could agree to that.
Similar legislation has had Republican support in the past, but never made it out of the lawmaking process. No supporters of the law were able to go on camera today, but we did get a statement from the Attorney General. Gettner Drummond says he intends to appeal the hold on enforcement, calling House Bill 4156 one of the most powerful tools the state has to fight criminal activity. Reporting at the Capitol, I'm Andy Weber, KOCO 5 News.